Yeah, so I made the executive decision to turn around because I didn't know how far that trail kept going, and it's late enough in the day and we don't have the gear to, keep pushing on if it gets too late, or if we get stuck out here we don't really have the gear for an overnight. Of course, you can always do stuff like make shelters or whatever, but I don't think they'd like us to do that out here. But yeah, because we got maybe 2.5 hours of light left. So I was out here earlier in the day about 9 a.m. or so with proper gear, or at least by myself at that time. I'd say I'd like to go on, try to see how far that trail goes, but just not enough time today for that. But we at least got what was marked on the app done. So when we're all done, we'll have about 3.5 miles under our belt. So not bad, but we got here in the afternoon, so it'll be fun. At least we got some exercise today. Actually, I've been looking at my step counter. It looks like it's not 3.5 miles round trip, but according to the map against my step counter, looks like it's 3.5 miles one way. It's going to be 3.5 miles back, so looks like it's actually going to be a 7 miles round trip for everybody, which they're not ready for that. Whoops. Oh well, that'll be alright. So, whoopsie, jumped in a little too hard today for them on that. So, yeah, they're used to the shorter ones. I'm used to the shorter ones, but with an occasional longer one over 5 miles. I also want to know it's that way. But again, not enough time to find out. This way is where we're going to go. If at least everybody gets a lot of nice exercise today and they'll sleep well. My wife is playing music on her phone back there, so I have to stay far enough ahead to where this phone won't pick it up and won't get a copyright strike. I've had to make a few claims already for background noise. Oh, for background music. That's came over. The girls have been a little whiny, but they've been pushed hard today, so it's okay. I mean, I guess it's to be expected. They're young and still inexperienced in hiking. So I mean, I don't know. I guess it's not okay, but it's, I guess, to be expected. I guess it's what maybe that's what I'm looking for. I don't know. I don't know if that's what I'm looking for either. But I'm sure you know what I mean. Means I'll still be tough on him, but I won't be mad at him for it. Be like, come on, get tough, push through it. Perseverance kind of thing. Try to teach him perseverance for it, but not be mad at him. Still fun and nice to actually be out with the family though. Thankful I get the opportunity to do this. Hey kiddo, near the halfway point back, how do you feel?
Good for that, because I'm really tired. My legs are breaking apart.
Almost there. That cedar tree, that big cedar tree, I think is it. I think. I think that tree's it. Then they can take a short break. Because we still have to get back to the car.
And I'm probably going to rest my legs all the way out.
I have a feeling everybody's going to be sleeping in the car on the way back home. Except for me, because I'm driving. Oh, except the trail curves this way. How you gonna feel walking up those steps if we go next weekend?
No!
That's if we go next weekend. Hey, see, here we are, halfway point.
We're at the halfway point!
Halfway back, halfway point. I wonder if that's a rock down there to rest at. That might be. Yeah, there's a dirt overhang. Oh. So, yep, it's a dirt overhang, dirt cliff. Still pretty cool.
Wow.
That's cool. So I just tried to film another moment of zen kind of water video down at the lake where it was clear water, but you saw the red rocks underneath it, but blue, in the distance, and then, red on the lake walls. Real beautiful with the waves and everything like that. Put the camera on the tripod, walked away, came back, about 12 minutes later, because I like to have the clips about 10 minutes. And 45 seconds into the clip, the tripod falls over. And family was impatient enough to wait another 15 minutes for me to do it again. So I'm going to insert that footage now. So yeah, thought that'd be pretty funny to add to the blooper reels. Maybe I can come out here and the water conditions will be like that again for another one. To do that again, because that was really pretty. That was really cool to do that. Oh well, that's guess part of me, what a content creator, huh? You win some, you lose some. Just don't always get your shots. Oh well, such is life. Hey, we're all almost done. Almost done. Almost done.
Hi.
Sudden burst of energy.
It took a million years. Actually, no, 10,000 hours.
And we made it before sunset. Almost.
Yes. I see.
One more hour. Maybe 30 or 45 minutes to be sunset.
Can I trespass?
No.
Come on.
So we made it back before sunset.
Why do we need
It's nice to be out.
It's right there.
Well, our car's not that way. And that's people's campsites. Just glad to make it back. There's Mom way back there. We didn't see any snakes today,
Nope. But I heard.
but we saw spiders.
I did see spiders. I heard.
You did. Are you sure it just wasn't you farting?
What?
Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.